wrap up our discussion of conjoint analysis, let's talk a little bit about value-based pricing. So in other words, how can we figure out what you should charge for a product attribute? So a specific example, suppose we are charging $1.39 for the carpet cleaner. And we want to add a guarantee, and there's no guarantee currently. If we add a guarantee, how much can we raise the price because we're giving the customer something? Well, the key idea is increase the price. See, a guarantee is worth 4.5 points. We know that from the coefficient in the regression. 4.5 ranking points. And so if we raise the price X cents to take away 4.5 ranking points, that's value-based pricing. Because what we're saying is we'll raise the price just enough to take away the value the consumer attaches to the feature we're adding. And then we're hearing the voice of the customer instead of doing cost plus, which just means raise your cost, let's say 20%, which is what a lot of companies do. Okay, so let's suppose we raise the price X cents. Well, the key thing to look at here is this 4.83. So at a price of $1.39, that adds 4.83 sort of ranking points to the customer's rank. At $1.59, that adds 0. Now, if you look at the slope here, increase 20 cents price takes away 4.83 points. Okay, so increasing 1 cent if you divide by 20 takes away 4.83 divided by 20, which is 0.24 ranking points. Okay, so now if you would increase the price X cents, we would lose 0.24 times X ranking points. And we want that to equal the gain from the guarantee. So you solve for X. X would be 4.5 divided by 0.24, which is about 19 cents. So if you would raise the price 19 cents and add a guarantee, you'd leave this customer as happy as he or she was before. So that means pricing $1.58 would be one concept of value-based pricing. And so this value-based pricing concept is again used by computer companies to say if you add the fastest processor, how much can you raise the price? By a car manufacturer to say if you add satellite radio, how much could you add the price? Maybe by P&G to say if you add whitening to Listerine, how much could you raise the price? But this is a very powerful and fairly simple to use approach that allows you to easily do value-based pricing.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.